hearts and wallets for this amazing organization. It's been here for 13 years, helping families that have been hitting hard times. Yes, the recession is over. Mayor Prado says things are looking good in Naperville. Housing is up. 66 new businesses opened up their doors last year in Naperville, but there are still plenty of folks out there that need your help. And Naperville Cares quietly takes care of you and your community. So thank you so much for opening your hearts and wallets to Naperville Cares. And now,
let me sing another one. I'm going to sing some
are you ready to hear me sing? All right, listen up back there. This goes out to Frankie. You keep saying you got something for me. You call love, but confess. You've been messing when you're messing. Now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking. That's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. I got 8 measures here, so I gotta dance. You keep lying when you ought to be truthing. You keep losing when you ought to not bet. Ha! You keep salmon when you ought to be changing. Now what's right is right and you haven't right yet. These boots are made for walking. That's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Thank you, Sean! A little friendly competition. You keep playing when you shouldn't be playing. You keep thinking that you'll never get burned. Ha! I just found me a brand new box of matches. Yeah. And what he knows you ain't had time to learn. These boots are made for walking. That's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over. Are you ready, Bruce? Stop walking.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dolly McCarthy!